Meaning of flashily.
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 Flashily. Flashily means to do something in a flashy or showy manner, often with a lot of ostentation or flamboyance. When someone is behaving flashily, it means they are trying to draw attention to themselves and impress others, rather than focusing on the task at hand. This behavior can be seen in a variety of settings, such as fashion shows, music performances, or even in everyday conversation. However, it's important to note that being flashy does not always mean being successful, and it can sometimes be viewed as superficial or insincere.